Welcome everybody, my name is Marcus Stone, and in this video you will learn how you can easily download a TikTok video from TikTok. The first thing you want to do is go to Play Store. When you go on the Play Store, right here, TikTok downloader, press enter, or if you have an iPhone, just go to, I don't know, Apple Store and find it there. You will find it here, video downloader for TikTok. Look for the most rated applications. This got 4.8, so we are going to download it, install. Okay, installing. Now we are going to open it. Okay, allow. Okay, and now we are going to download it. So first, what we want to do is go on a TikTok. And now, I don't know, green screen gaming, like this one, this guy here, it's going to screen probably. And now, let's go to share. And now, share to copy link. Link copied, okay. Now we will go back to TikTok downloader and we're going to paste the link. And now we got it, voila, downloads, we have it here. And if I go to the gallery, it's here, look at that, wonderful, right? So this is how we can download a TikTok video. If this video was helpful, you can support me and subscribe. I'll be really thankful for that. And yeah, thank you very much, everybody. Have a great day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.